PROTIQ USA offers customers a easy, convenient way of ordering 3D printed parts for prototyping, for tooling fixtures, with a very, very high level of professional quality and a very wide, diverse range of material options, as well as finishing options. We can provide this service in a matter of a couple of days, in addition to the in-house capability that we have focusing on polymer products for USA customers. We also have access to the extensive portfolio of metal products through our parent location in Blomberg, Germany. Between our expertise, the materials that are offered, the ease of use, and our very high level of customer service, we offer customers in the USA a great, precise, reliable, fast way of obtaining top quality for their production and design purposes.